Trying to start our day, headed to a doctor's appointment. Already lost our shoes. Now we gotta find them. And this is very typical. I have no idea where mine are, but I'm gonna have to wear my old ones. Guess it's time to hit the road. How's it going? You getting your seat? Yeah. Hi, bud. Ready to go for a ride? Yeah? Alright. Gotta buckle Ava up. What?
Here.
I wasn't driving.
Well, I'm not.
I'm just buckling Ava in. Why would you throw them on the ground? You ready to be buckled?
Buckle?
Yeah. You hang on to that? No. Hang on to it. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Ready to go? They're bony. I think he's just trying to avoid driving. Guess I'm driving. Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Camera shot.
Rather shut it off anyway.
10:14 and our appointment's at 10:30. We're gonna be so late to drive like friggin' 9 years old. Ava. Ready? Waiting. Gas was off. Getting on the waiting room. What are you doing, Ava? Putting your shoes on?
Shoe. Uh-oh.
It's on the wrong foot, honey. That shoe goes on this foot. There you go.
Uh-oh.
I'm having an attitude. Go ahead. Slip it in. Yeah, you're fine. Your foot's in it. Ava. This is what happens. Camera girl. Cute, crabby kids.
Uh-oh.
You're fine. It's your shoe. It's baby shoe. Here. This foot.
Ow.
There you go. Is it like a rule when you're here, you have to be here for an hour? There you go. Can't wait to get in here. I'm starving. Thinking Dunkin' Donuts is in our future. Maybe a Happy Meal for Ava. She's been pretty good the whole time we've been here. What?
Yeah.
You want to go outside? We'll go outside. Can you say hi? You were being so good. What happened? Oh, you're okay. You sit in the chair. Probably not, because it's only been an hour. It has to be 2 hours before they show up. Out of the doctors and get Wendy.
Really want to try those chicken wings.
Oh yeah, those do look good. I don't like the ones you get at Walmart.
Yes.
2114.
They don't make those ones at Walmart anymore.
You just got them not too long ago.
Yeah, but the ones I used to like were like saucy and.
I just don't like their wings, period.
No. I had them. They were like saucy and like kind of hot. But the ones they make now, they're not saucy. They're just like intensely hot.
No, I don't like the ones at McDonald's because they, not McDonald's, Walmart, because they have that, they're like, it's almost like they took the last pieces of chicken and made them into wings, like the leftovers. I just think the chicken itself, the quality of the chicken is disgusting.
You don't have to worry about me ever buying them again. They are way too hot now.
I think they're disgusting.
They are now, yeah. They're way disgusting.
Corn dogs are pretty nasty too.
They were too old. They're like the last two.
They're bad.
They dried out.
People looking at me because I'm recording myself. You get the feeling I'm going to be getting that a lot. Apparently it's amusing that I record myself.
I don't think it was that.
I think it was.
I'm sure that was part of it.
I just look normal. I just have shorts and a tank top on.
And have you signed the top receipt and the bottom one will be yours?
They're construction workers, huh? I used to work with guys like that. I know
Why is it
exactly
people
what
at
they're
fast
doing.
food restaurants always look disgusting? And they pick it from the bottom of the barrel.
No, I worked with guys like that. I know exactly what they're doing.
Everyone's got their meal. Chicken burger. What you guys got? You get some nuggets? What about you, buddy? Is that good? Best fast food restaurant ever. You love it.
No. Getting old.
Like, love
Pretty
the
bad.
camera.
No.
You get used to it.
Getting old.
What do you get? Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video. That's it for today. I got a lot of cleaning and packing to do. I hope you liked our trip to the doctors. We were on time, fortunately. We can end with seeing the kids play. Carter and Ava, come here please. Come upstairs. Come say hi. Say hi.
Hey.
Good job. Show your belly. Ava, no. You're silly. Make funny faces.